What's up, everybody? Welcome to 555 Triple Nickel Breaks. Today we're going to be breaking 1991 Topps. Looking for that Chipper Jones rookie card and 2020 Topps Museum Collection. There's 4 mini boxes per master box, and we're looking for some big hits inside here. So each mini box you'll get either a non-card autograph relic, quad relic, or relic. So we'll open that second, but we'll open this up first. There's 36 packs. We'll go pretty quick on these. Got these from my local hobby store, and we'll see what we can get. Again, we're looking for that Chipper Jones card that has been eluding me for quite a few years. What we'll do is if I can get these upright, we'll stop knocking them over. We'll start opening these. Of course, it's got that nasty 1991 gum still in there. It's still pretty brittle. My lovely assistant, my wife, is on the side here, so we'll go pretty quick on these here. Harold Baines, Brian Harper. Just see if we can find that. Well, there's Mike Lieberthal. Not the one we're looking for. Joe Price. Let's see here. Roy Smith, Jeff Kunkel, Chamberlain, Wally Whitehurst, Chris Nebels, Mike Jeffcoat. Let's flip these over here. Roberto Alomar, Don Mattingly, yeah, this one's been eluding me for quite a few years. I finally pulled that Griffey back there. That's one of my all-time favorites. Griffey's my favorite player from when I was younger. Loved his swing. Had the sweetest swing in baseball. We finally picked that up a couple months back. My wife actually pulled it out of a pack. I freaked out. She didn't understand why I was freaking out, but of course that card's been eluding me since 1989. So I've been looking for that card for a while, and I really wanted to pull it myself. So I still consider that being pulled myself, even though my wife pulled it, but we pulled it together because we do all of our pullings together, except for right now because this is our first break together, but she'll be involved in quite a few of these too. So glad that baseball's back in style. Yankees fan, so of course we're doing pretty well right now. Have a couple injuries that were there's Griffey, all-star card, Ken Griffey Jr. I like that one. That's a pretty good one there. Well, like I was saying, we got a couple rash of injuries that hopefully we'll get over and bring back a 28 championship to New York. Here's with these instant win games. As you can tell, I'm wearing gloves, and you can see all the powder from all the gum that's on there. There's Mark McGwire. That's not a bad one. So we're gonna this is our first actual video, but we're gonna start trying to do box breaks a little bit more. There's Cal Ripken, John Franco. Started doing some box breaks. We've been in the cards for a while now, ever since I was a little kid. I've been in the sports cards. My wife has too. And we kind of have a similar story to where we had floods at both of our houses and took away a big chunk of our card collection. But so we've been collecting a lot lately. And Alex Fernandez. Gary Ward, Gary Fields. There's Ken Griffey Jr. again. There's the actual card. So we'll take that. That's nice. This gum weighs a ton. It weighs the pack down. I'm gonna make my kids eat it. I have 6 kids, so one of them will eat it. My son is over my left-hand shoulder watching this video too, so I'll make him eat it after this. Ooh, Bo Jackson. There we go. There's Bo. Well, Bo don't know. Dave Wilson. Again, we're not finding the right person just yet. Let's find out here. Ted Power, Bob Tewksbury, Jeff Hudson, Jose Canseco, one half of the Bash brothers there, along with Mark McGuire, Tim Costo, Dwayne Henry, Willie McGee, Mark Grace, Chili Davis. So far we have a pound of cards and not the card we're looking for, not yet. So, really hoping to tear into that 2020 museum collection. I've seen a couple breaks on that, and I like the product. There was a debate between that and Bowman Sterling, and we ended up picking museum collection. So I'm also looking for that Chipper Jones. Chipper Jones had a Topps Desert Storm rookie card that I'd like to find too, but it's almost impossible to find those boxes these days. They were a special edition for Desert Storm. But if you find that, it's almost like the Topps Tiffany. Danny Tartabull. Andres Galarraga. There's some of these cards bring me back. Kirby Puckett. There we go. Tony La Russa. Look how young he was in that picture. Let's see here. Robin Ventura. There we go. Benny Santiago. Charlie Hayes. Record breaker. That's George Brett. There he is. Jose Mesa. David West. So we're about, let's say about halfway. Not halfway through yet, but. There's Nixon. Dan Wilson. Carlton Fisk. That's a good one. I like Carlton Fisk. Actually got an autograph of his in a Topps product from 2016. It's pretty nice. It's one of those silver edge cards. Pretty nice. I think I only paid like $60 for the pack. It came with a couple graded cards. Actually, one of them was this one here. As you can tell, Ken Griffey's my favorite player, so I got a couple of his cards, but we picked that one up in the same pack as the Carlton Fisk. I thought that was pretty cool. We're gonna do some. We're gonna start doing some box breaks. Cecil Fielder that you guys can join in on. Barry Bonds All-Star card. We'll post one of these probably once a week or so, hopefully. Get some of the good products out there. See if we can pull up a Mike Trout or one of the bigger names. Fernando Tatis is killing it right now, so Daniel, Kirk Gibson, Lee Whitaker. Wow, there's Tom Glavine. remember watching him and Greg Maddux. Roy Honeycutt. These cards are a little stuck together. There's Nolan Ryan. It's part of the old junk wax box era. Remember when I was a little kid, I used to go to the local hobby store, pick up packs. I used to ride my bike over there and spend $5-10 Mike Scioscia, get a couple packs. I had boxes upon boxes of cards. Future Star Brian Barnes, not the right one. And then packs started getting really expensive, and they just keep getting more expensive. You know, $70-80 for a pack of cards. Yeah, you're getting an autograph, but $70-80 bucks a pack. You know, pretty tough to spend. Let's see here. Eric Anthony checklist. John Franco. Robin Yount. Chuck Jim. Weiss. We got a box of these. Like I said, we got a box of these a couple weeks ago and didn't get a Chipper Jones in it. So I have, I don't know, 300 some odd cards sitting upstairs. None of them are Chipper Jones's rookie card. So hopefully we didn't do the same thing in this video. There's another. Here's the same Ken Griffey. I also didn't get any Ken Griffeys in that last box either, so it's good to see that I've gotten 3 already. So I'm going to have my wife come in here and start opening some packs too, because we're about halfway through the box. So my lovely wife, as you can tell, that's my fingers and her fingers, so she's camera shy, so she's not going to say anything. So I'll do all the talking. Well, sort of talking. There's Randy Johnson. There he is. We'll just put him back here. Jack Jose Canseco again. All-star card. Not bad, not bad. Al Newman. Gary Carter. There we go. Yeah, hopefully there'll be a football season. Another thing you can tell is big Notre Dame fan. Hoping college football kicks off, but it's not looking promising because the Pac-12 and Big Ten have already canceled their season. They're Bo Jackson, Bo Diddley. But it's tough this year for sports, especially with COVID running around. But hopefully we get some sort of sports. We've already gotten. We got baseball going and basketball, but I can't see the bubble being too effective for football as it is in basketball. He said I'm really hoping to see some sort of something being played for football. That'd be pretty cool. It's tough. It's tough when you're a sports nut and you don't get to watch sports besides baseball, and it's a shortened season. It's kind of a tough pill to swallow. So, Jeff Blauser, still looking for him. Still looking for him. There's David Cohn. Look at Don Zimmer. He was always fat. Tara Pendleton. There we go. See, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make my wife eat these if she doesn't start talking, because it's not fun. You can go ahead, babe. Show the people what you're pulling here. This is her first YouTube video, also, so you know, just dipping our feet in the pool, see what we can get out there. Carlton Fisk again. Is that Cal? There's Cal Ripken. John Franco. See, my wife's nicer with these instant win games. See, the instant win games, she just kind of tosses them to the wayside. There's probably 350 of them sitting upstairs somewhere. If we instantly won, I think the expiration is well out. Maybe you can talk out loud.
Mm-hmm. I'm good. Just to stare at the pretty cards.
Stare at the pretty cards.
John Mitchell.
Yeah, and that's going to be our logo for all our box breaks there. We're in the midst of getting a bigger sign made up and a nice mat so that we look a little more official than crap on a stick. But it's brownie points that we're trying to win here. Future star. Rafael Palmeiro. BJ Surhoff. Nothing. Right team. Wrong guy. Instant win games. All cards must be claimed by 4/1/92.
Go, Jerry.
I wonder what would happen if I filled all these out right now and just started sending all of them back in, like a huge stack of these. Wonder what would happen. Wonder if they get pissed off, or if they'd be like, "Oh, hey, he's really dedicated to this."
They'll just trash it.
They just throw it all in the trash. 6 pounds worth of instant win games from us.
Send them the gum too.
Yeet. Chuck Finley. Barry Lurkin. There he is, Barry Lurkin.
But black. Eric Show. Record breaker.
Is that show or snow? Show. Okay, I thought it said snow. Not that it would make a difference.
Let's see. Ooh, let me put these down here.
Ooh, there's Joe Girardi. Oh, now he's the Phillies manager. Was the Yankees manager. Won a World Series for us back in 2009.
Very nice.
Pretty young. Hopefully you get lucky. You're usually the lucky one that pulls all the good cards, so hopefully you'll pull it.
Let's find out. What are we looking for?
Chipper Jones.
Huh. Okay.
It'll say draft pick on it. Bobby Bonilla. Outsider. God, nothing. 30 packs down. Nah. Kenny Rogers. I was thinking Kenny Rogers from Mad TV.
Ed Nunez.
Come on, baby, we can do it.
Mike Jackson and Dave Anderson. Here you go.
BJ Surhoff again.
Little stuff. Dave West. Oh, who's this? There we go.
Craig Wilson.
Alvaro Espinosa, Max.
Oh, Roger Clemens. That's pretty cool. That's pretty neat. Oh, Roger Clemens. Yeah.
Kirby Puckett.
He's got a shiny coating. You see it bouncing there, the light bouncing off of him too. Too bad it's not Topps Tiffany. Tony La Russa.
Dave Parker.
Gary Pettis. Jose Gonzalez. Bobby Witt, the wrong one. Bobby Witt is a rookie in 2020. He's one of the sought after players in 2020. Well, his cards are up there. Nothing.
No.
Nothing. Will Clark. There you go. Will Clark.
Randy Bush.
Randy Bush.
I can't pronounce half of these last names.
They're 1990 names.
Okay. Here we go.
Julio Franco.
Henry Cotto. Checklist. Tim Bristow, Tom Bolton.
Yeah,
Kevin
the Chipper
Anderson.
Jones will be straight up and down. Kevin Moss.
Hey, you never know. Let's see what this is. Just check.
Never. Mike Stanton. El Sorianto.
Four more. Four more tries.
We can do it. Doesn't he look lazy? Doesn't he look
Poor thing.
It looks like he's on the toilet, dude. Looks like he's struggling. Oh, there's Juan Gonzalez.
Juan Gonzalez.
Juan. Man, this pack is full of managers.
Oh, he's entertaining himself right there. He's happy. Let's see.
Gary Templeton.
Steve Lake.
Look at the size of good God, look at the size of mustaches. God, mustaches were cool back then. There's record break. There's Cal Ripken. Cal Ripken Jr. Craig Biggio. Another one that's got a kid in the majors now. Kevin Biggio. Mark Davis.
Dave Clark.
Come on, Chipper. Come on, damn it.
Jeff. And another checklist.
And a checklist. Two more.
Right. Two more. Let's see what we have. Junk. Edgar Martinez.
Ryan Sandberg. Ryan Sandberg. I thought it was Ryan. There's Ken Griffey Sr. Ah! First draft pick. Not a damn chipper, though. Bobby Valentine. Look how young he looks in that. Joe Torre. Another Yankees manager. Good one, too.
Very good. All right. Last pack.
Last pack. Come on. Last pack. Come on. Last pack, Mojo. Come on. Let's go.
Drum roll, please. Let's see. Bye-bye.
There it is. There it is. Last pack mojo, baby. There it is. Chipper Jones. Nice job. Nice. There it is. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. That's why she does it. She's got the luck. Remember, we're triple nickel. This is triple three. There it is right there. Nice job, babe. That's what we were looking for. Last pack mojo.
Another record breaker. Another checklist.
We'll cover up Warren Spahn there.
Jose de Jesus. Kevin Gross.
Kevin's gross. Rod Reigns. This product is full of managers. All right, so we got what we needed to go for. All right, let's get into it here. Let's get into something new here. I'm gonna come back in over here. I'm gonna get into this 2020 museum collection. Let's get into this. There's 4 mini boxes. Let's get in this first mini pack. It has 1 pack inside. So we got Noah Syndergaard. Is that numbered? that's not numbered. That's what the design looks like. I like these. I think they're pretty cool looking. Roger Clemens. Shane Bieber. There's our canvas card. Shane Bieber. Everybody was making fun of him because he had that card out there for and it said Justin Bieber on the back. Let's see here. There's a Pujols. Let's find out what our hit's gonna be. This way? No. Let's go back this way. What do we got? What do we got? Congratulations. Signature swatch. Carlos Santana. That's gonna be our first autograph, and that's at a $2.99 triple patch relic card. Carlos Santana for the Indians. Not bad, not bad. Put that up there. Or something nice, like a Mike Trout 101. That'd be pretty cool. Pretty cool. There's Don Mattingly on the backside there. There we go. Don Mattingly to 99. Here's the purple parallel. Hideki Matsui. Roberto Clemente. Oh, we got 2 canvas cards. Got 2 canvas cards. Let's find out. That's Jacob deGrom. That's not bad. And we'll go with our hit here. Our hit is Meaningful Miguel Andujar. There we go. Number to 35. Sweet for the Yankees. That's a good one. We got a box of 2013 Bowman a couple weeks ago and pulled an autograph of his from his second year. I thought that was pretty cool. I thought it was his rookie, but it was not. Third pack here. What do we got here in our third pack? We'll go forward. There's Whit Merrifield, number to 150 in blue. Cal Ripken Jr., Vlad Guerrero Jr., Max Scherzer, and our hit is going to be Primary Pieces Quad Relic of Alex Bregman. Ah, crap. There's the old bang on the trash can, Houston Astros. Justin Verlander, Jose Altuve, Alex Bregman, and George Springer out of 99. Yeah, I'm not a huge fan of the Astros, as you can tell. Being a Yankees fan, it kind of bugged me a little bit about what happened there, but it's all right. So we should have an autograph in here. Should. Let's find out. There's Luzardo. There's Mookie Betts in his new uniform, and I watched Phil's Pulls. It's pretty funny that he pointed this out, but his hat looks a little ridiculous because this was taken while he was still on the Red Sox, I'm assuming. But that helmet looks a little ridiculous. Chris Bryant. There's Garrett Cole in his new uniform. Let's find out what our last hit's going to be. Our last hit's going to be, congratulations, Austin Riley, number to 25. So that's not a bad one to end on. Austin Riley. So there you go. So we finally got it. This is what we were looking for. And of course, it was pulled on the last pack by my wife, but that's all right. It still counts. So yeah, there's the Chipper Jones, and then of course that's what we got for the museum collection. You got the Andujar quad patch for the Astros, Carlos Santana and Austin Riley. But thanks for sticking around this long, and hopefully we'll see you on the next break. Be good. Thanks.